How's it going, everybody? This is a personal break, 5-box personal break of Star Wars High-Tek for Thomas. Good luck, Thomas. InkedGaming. I'm going to open the case. Here we go. Here's a sealed case. There's a look at the boxes. Alright, go ahead and pick 5 boxes. Sorry, 5 boxes, Thomas. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 through 12. So 5 numbers. And then I'll mark the ones you don't pick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10, 11. So these two. Alright. Got that. Got that box. This box. Couldn't even count. And this box. Alright, so I'm going to label these. Alright, good luck. Here we go. This is pretty hard to find around town, right? I haven't seen many boxes. I saw a lot of people were sold out of it. Good luck. Man, that scented marker is strong. Alright. So what we got here? We got the Emperor. Let me focus this. The Emperor. Guess I'm just going to go like this. Tin. Plo Koon. We got number to 50. That's a cool looking card. Number to 50, Luke Skywalker, Armor Tech. Six out of 50. And an autograph, numbered 5 out of 25, Oliver Ford Davies autograph. Numbered 5 out of 25. Governor of Naboo. Man, those die cuts are kind of cool looking. Got another numbered card in here, number 99, Mas Amida. FYI, I have not seen Star Wars. The Vice Chair of the Galactic Republic. That's a nice card. And Lando Calrissian. Man, they make the font crazy too. This is like Joe's hockey. This is my hockey. Alright, box 2. I know the big names though. I know who we're looking for. Alright, we got Commander Cody. That's a new one, right? BB-8. We got Loke Durd. General Madine. We got Ponda, number 50. Ponda Bala. Dangerous Aqualish Thug. And the autograph is Greedo, Paul Blake, 32 out of 75. Greedo. And then we got number to 99, Barada. The Skiff Guard for Jabba the Hutt. And Boba Fett as a little kid. Box 3. So is it like, do they have Clone War cards? They don't have Clone Wars in this stuff, right? Or do they? I know they have that in the Star Wars Chrome. Right, Rancor, Captain Thypo, Captain Rex, Barada again, Boss Moss, autograph of Orly Shoshan, Shakti. Put a little heart there too. Shakti autograph, not numbered. Jedi Master. We got Wicket, numbered 1 out of 99. Wicket, parallel, 1 of 99. And we got Even Piel. Jedi Master and Republic General. Two boxes left. This doesn't have Force Awakening spoilers? I don't think so. Yeah, 1 of 99. eBay 101. Got Bran Durlin. Rune Hako. Captain Phasma. Commander Cody. We got a gold, number to 50. Captain Veers. Or, I'm sorry, General Veers, not Captain Veers. 33 out of 50. Gold. And we got an autograph of Ula, Femi Taylor. Ula. That is Dancer and Slave to Jabba the Hutt. Then we got another Wicket parallel. This one's 11 out of 25. Wicket. Building that Wicket PC. And Ray. Final box. Oh man, don't spoil it for me, guys. Alright, Princess Leia. Ray. Captain Thypo. Darth Maul. Tarkin. Autograph, Steve Blum as Zeb Orleos. So I guess they do have the animated series in here. Rebel in the Muscle. And we got number to 99, Orn Frita. The Clouds parallel, number to 99. And Bail Organa, Senator and Rebel Instigator. Alright. That was it. Thanks, Thomas. Appreciate it. I almost said a Star Wars character there. Alright, appreciate it, and thanks for watching.